Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make tea light candle holders at home. To begin, gather your core materials. You might use small glass jars, air-dry clay, or even a block of wood. Remember, safety first, so ensure your chosen material can withstand heat. Next, collect your decorative items like acrylic paints, glitter, or natural elements such as small pebbles and dried flowers. Having everything ready makes the crafting process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's get creative with your design. Before you start, it's a great idea to sketch out a few concepts. This helps visualize your finished piece. Next, thoroughly clean and prepare your base material. For example, wash and dry glass jars completely. When working with wood, sand it smooth. Always consider the dimensions of your tea light candle to ensure it fits perfectly and securely within your holder. Time to bring your design to life. If using glass, you can paint intricate patterns or glue on small beads. For wooden holders, carefully drill a hole about 1½ inches deep and 1½ inches wide to fit a standard tea light. With clay, sculpt your shape and create a recess for the candle. Always allow sufficient drying time, typically 24 hours, for paints and glues to set completely. For a lasting finish, consider applying a clear sealant to protect your beautiful creation, especially if it's painted or has glued-on elements. This step adds durability and a professional touch. When placing your tea light, ensure it sits firmly and level within the holder. Most importantly, always prioritize safety. Never leave a burning candle unattended, and keep your new holder away from curtains or other flammable materials.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.